record.
Good afternoon, everybody. We would like to welcome you to the 2020-2021 school year and to the 5th grade All-Star team. We sincerely hope that every one of you had a summer full of fun and relaxation. We know that we have embarked on some unprecedented times in our society, and going forward, things may look a little different. But with all of us working together, it will be a rewarding and successful school year. Without further ado, I would like to welcome you to our starting 5th grade lineup. Here we have Ms. Smalls, Ms. Caines, Dr. Ross, Mr. Sliker, and Ms. Martin. Here is our contact information for the school year. Here you see our email address and our contact phone number. Also, we would like to remind you that our office hours are from 7:45 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So please allow us 24 hours for teachers to respond to your voicemail, your email, or any voicemails. Also on the screen, you will see our 5th grade Zoom code. Our Zoom code is 892-2660-6676, and our password is OES5. This would be our Zoom code for the entire school year for all classes. First, I would like to introduce myself. I am Ms. Smalls, and I started teaching in 2001. My goal for the school year is to maximize student growth remotely. My favorite all-time quote is, "I think, therefore I am." Scholars, I am looking for a fantastic school year with you all.
And hello, I am Mrs. Caines. I will be one of your 5th grade math teachers this year. I started teaching 2010. I went to the University of Tennessee, Martin, which is a small town in Martin, Tennessee. And the goal this year for me would be to help each student reach their goal and reach their full potential. My favorite quote is, "The sky is not the limit." I look forward to Monday and seeing all your beautiful faces.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Ross. I'm the other half of the ELA teachers. I got drafted in 2003. I'm originally from Mississippi, so my university that I attended was in Cleveland, Mississippi, which is Delta State University, and I received all my degrees from that university. My goal is to keep climbing and striving for excellence. My favorite quote is, "I am the me I choose to be," by Sidney Poitier. Looking forward to seeing you on Monday.
Welcome back, everybody. My name is Mr. Sliker, and I will be the other half of your math team. My draft year was in 2011. Originally being from Erie, Pennsylvania, I attended college at Slippery Rock University. My goal for you this year, and what I'm going to strive to achieve, is to inspire you to be lifelong learners. My favorite quote: "My mission in life is not merely to survive, but to thrive, and to do so with some passion, some compassion, some humor, and some style." I look forward to seeing you soon.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ms. Martin. I will be your 5th grade science teacher this year. I was drafted in 2004. Schools I went to was Central Piedmont Community College and the University of North Carolina at Charlotte. My goal is to make science fun and engaging. Favorite quote: "Doing the best at this moment puts you in the best place for the next moment." Oprah Winfrey. Look forward to seeing you in our virtual classroom.
It's Dr. Ross again. We have some Eagle virtual expectations that we're going to briefly go over. The first one is going to be the scholarly behavior. S, log on to a few minutes before class. Bring needed materials. Use your headphones if you have them. Make sure your computer is charged. Speak clearly. Look up when speaking. Follow instructions. Display your real name. O, offer kindness. Focus on the speaker. Stay on the topic during class. Use raise your hand feature. Utilize the chat features appropriately.
Mr. Slager here. A, act responsibly. What does that look like? Being attentive. Wait for your turn to speak or contribute. Set daily goals and monitor your goals. Complete and submit assignments on time. R, respect everyone. Mute your microphone when you are not speaking. Wear school appropriate clothing. No sidebar conversations in the chat, please. And find a quiet spot in your home to do your work.
All right, so this year we have a chant as a 5th grade team. And so we're going to say it together, and then we're going to learn it as a whole 5th grade. And we're going to know this, and we're going to learn it, and we're going to do it. We're going to show action this year. So we are
A
team.
We
Respect each other.
We
Work
hard.
We
try
our
our best.
Best.
And we are
The
The
5th grade
All-Star
All-Star
team.
We look forward to seeing y'all soon on Monday.